So I'm going to show you a simple homemade squishy tutorial. So I'll show you the supplies first. First, you need tape. Very handy. Next off, we need not super sharp scissors because we're not going to paint it. Next off are these highlighters that I bought in the mall. Go kind of handy too, and not paint, totally not paint. The last item you need is a sponge. This no density foam or memory foam because I don't think that will work with highlighters and tape. I think the sponge is the best one. So we will show you it now. So now my mom is cutting the squishy for me, and I'm holding the camera because it's hard to make up the shape. And so far, the shape is gonna be a panda bun. My mom's doing her best. As you can see, there is very rough surgery up in here. So first off, you just need to cut your sponge, or if you use any memory foam or density foam, you cut it. Guys, this is what my mom made. It's not really perfect, but we'll do more like stuff to it. Decided to draw the face on paper and tape it on the sponge. So yeah, so those are my highlighters. So let's start to drawing. Created, guys. We're trying to make a blush bun. Those are the little eyelashes. That's the eyes. Those are the little eyelashes. And those are the eyes. That's the mouth. And those are the rosy cheeks. And I'm gonna paste it right here. So I told my mom to help me paste the paper on the sponge. So yeah, as you can see, my mom is pasting it. Taping. Said the wrong word. Oops. Not just this is my first ever homemade squishy. It's very fast rising. It's a blush bun. Not so slow. So this is my first ever squishy. And I don't have the paint yet, so it's not so good. So yeah. So this is a blush bun squishy that I made. super fast writing. We might buy the Crayola paint soon. So bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.